Here are the 7 things you could achieve with Kimi 2.5. Kimi 2.5 just launched its latest version and in fact is doing a lot. AI is been trending for a while, but the invention of this version is a game changer because it actually does a lot and saves a 9. Here are the 7 things that you can achieve with Kimi 2.5. If you like this video, subscribe, like, and comment so that you can enjoy other offers when we upload. Number 1 is data analytics. All you just need to do is to upload the data to it and then tell you what to do, which one to optimize, and it's going to do it. And in fact, it can create for you dashboards. It can create for you dashboards, yes, design dashboard for you that is going to be very appealing. Number 2 thing you can achieve with it is slide. You know, on ChatGPT, if you just go and tell it, write me a slide for whatever thing it's going to do, it's going to just write you text. But this one is going to write you text with the relevant images that are needed for that particular topic you are talking about. If you want to pitch and you give it the area of concentration or the region or the topic or the kind of business you are writing the proposal for, it's going to generate that for you instantly. Another thing it can do is coding. It codes effectively. You know, when you're using some AI tools to code, sometimes it will tell you that you can't generate more codes here, you are out of time, yeah, you're out of this thing. There's no limit here. You cannot go out of limit. It's infinity. So you can use it anytime, anywhere, continuously without breakage. Number 4 is high infographics images. For example, now you have you want to demonstrate what you are doing with an image, and the image you have infographics. Instead of going to Canva to do what you want to do, just put the prompt to Kimi 2.5 and it's going to generate you that image that has the exact graphics and it's talking about what you are sharing instantly. It doesn't take time and it has speed. The 5th one is building websites. Kimi 2.5 can build websites like a pro. Not just that, you can take a screenshot of any website, upload it to Kimi and say, build me this kind of website, and it's going to build you the full website. You can also copy the link of a website and say, look into the website and develop me a replica of this website. And Kimi is going to do it for you ASAP. This is the period of codeless moment. A lot of people are going to be creating a lot of products without writing a single line of code. And number 6 is deep research. You can actually use it to research about any topic, whether your thesis in school, whether your project, anything. Make deep research and you'll be able to even use it to write a book. Then number 7 is docs. It can handle any document for you, whether Excel, whether Word document, any kind of document at all. It handles it effectively and read your data and give you what you want. In fact, it seems that Kimi 2.5 is chancing ChatGPT and every other one in the industry of AI. Try it out and drop your comments. If this video made your day, don't forget to subscribe.